All right, checking out this beauty today. You guys are in for a treat. It is absolutely fabulous. So we are in River Hill Estates in Catoosa. This is a dead-end street. So you have all of these beautiful houses here, and it's a dead end down there. So you don't have a lot of traffic coming through your neighborhood. You're right close to highway access here, so you can be anywhere within minutes. You could get to Tulsa in probably about, I would say, 50 minutes or less to get to kind of the new Tulsa area. But if you want to get downtown, you could probably be there in, I'd say, 30 minutes or less, depending on how fast you drive. So really pretty. Also, right here is Molly's Landing, which is an extremely popular steakhouse. I mean, it's kind of like a destination place. If you've never been, you just have to go. Everybody raves about it. This beautiful home is currently $469,000 at the time of this video. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 2-car garage home, and the landscaping, you guys, oh my gosh. Here, I'll turn this way. You have this huge circle drive with this cute little bench, Japanese maple tree, absolutely gorgeous. It's wooded back there, so you don't have any, nobody's looking in your backyard, very private. Love the stonework. You have all of these mature trees, beautiful swing over there. Now I will say, before we get too into this house, one of the complaints or concerns is there's not a lot of backyard back there for like playing catch or whatever family activities you want to do in the yard. But right over here is a huge grassy lot. There's no houses, no one's going to build there, and that's just like public space. So you could definitely use that if you need to go play catch with the kids or whatever. You can definitely do that. Where those cars are parked, that's actually additional parking for this home, which is fabulous because obviously there's really no curb on this street. So it's hard to park on the street if you have a lot of family over. But these sellers have thought of that. So you have parking there for at least 4 to 5 cars. And then you have all of this parking as well, which is an amazing feature. If you're new here, my name is Ryan Hensey. I run the Top Hat Connections real estate team with Keller Williams, and I serve Tulsa and the surrounding areas. And if you're thinking of making a move to Eastern Oklahoma, I would love to help you make that smooth transition, whether it's now or in the future. Of course, if you're into home tours like this one, go ahead and like and subscribe for more information or for more videos like this. And I also share real estate tips and Tulsa lifestyle content as well. And with that, let's get back into today's video. Absolutely gorgeous front entry here, you guys. Love the little swings, all this lush gardening. The sellers, man, she must have a green thumb, or he, I don't know. I don't know who does the gardening, but let's head on in here. Great entry. You also have these gorgeous floors here. Dining area. And we'll take a tour this way. So this is not considered one of the bedrooms. This is a kind of flex space, second living space. Could be a bedroom. Actually, I said this was a 4-bedroom. So we are counting this as a bedroom. I take that back. So you have a sink in here, which is really nice. Love all the windows. Yeah, it could be a bedroom. I could see a bed right there. I could do that. But if you don't need the 4th bedroom, it could be just a game room or entertainment space, second living room, closet here. Really nice. You have the French doors on here. Across the way, we've got a half bath. And then this closet space. Ooh, that's compact. Love the tall ceilings in here. Gorgeous fireplace. Head this way. This is your master bedroom. Love the windows in here. We'll head around into the master bath. Really good size. You got 2 vanities. You also have jets in the tub. There's your shower situation. Really substantial closet here. It's really deep, which is nice. You do have these kind of stamped, what do you call them? Concrete floors, which is nice, low maintenance. One of my favorite features is right out here. This home has got its own private patio for the master bedroom. How cool is that? So we've got a sitting area here and also this pergola as well. So, and this is all fenced. If you have fur babies, you can let them out here. That part's not fenced, so you'd want to let them out on this side if they're a runner. But it's a terraced yard. That's what I meant when we were in the front. There's not a lot of usable space out here as far as yard games and that sort of thing. But you do have all of that grassy space on the other side of these trees that no one's using. So it's just open to go play catch or, you know, whatever it is you're wanting to do yard game wise. But we'll check that space out later in a minute. Let's head on back this way and we'll go check out the other side of the house. So back by the dining area here, here's your garage. Really good size. Lots of space in here. Do have some built-in cabinets. And then there is an inset over there if you wanted to put a workbench or stuff too. You also have an inset on this side. You do have water out here, which is a really nice feature. Here's your utility room. A good size for this house. You got a place to kind of fold clothes there, obviously hanging and cabinet space as well. And some storage up there, which is nice. Here's your dining space. Love the natural light in here. Huge kitchen, great for entertaining, as you can see, for this broker's open. Get the white cabinets, granite counters. We'll head this way. You have a full bath right here. And then you can see that the concrete floor goes throughout, which is something I personally really like. And then here is that other bedroom right here. Good size. This is a, looks like a queen bed, so it's a little bit big for this room, but this would probably be more of a kid's room anyway. So you don't really need that big of a bed in here. But it's also like a sleigh bed, so that just takes up a lot of space. But good sized room nonetheless. So we'll finish up out here. I absolutely adore this backyard. So serene with all of the trees here. And then this is an acre lot, so it goes pretty substantially far down there. But again, it's a lot of wood space. This family likes the deer, so we have the deer feeder, bird feeder. So a lot of natural wildlife. And then you also have a fire pit down there, which I think is a really cute idea. And we are in Catoosa, which is home to the port of Catoosa, which to me, that reminds me of like a ship's port. So I think that's a really clever idea on their part. I don't know if that was intentional or not. You also have all of this patio space here, which I love. And that fan up there, perfect. If you wanted to, you could easily screen this out to have a screened in porch as well. But I don't know, the bugs haven't been too bad lately in Oklahoma, so I don't know if I'd even mess with that. You have this other seating area over here as well. I love this house. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I always love your feedback. Again, if you like home tours like this one, go ahead and like and subscribe for more of those, as well as real estate content and living in Tulsa content and lifestyle as well. So hope you guys have a great day and share this video with a friend who might be curious of what homes look like in Oklahoma, because I can tell you they're pretty fabulous. I mean, this house is only $469,000 and it's pretty stunning. And I know in other states it would be a lot more money. So if you're interested in moving to Oklahoma, let's connect and I'll see you guys in the next video.